The HESA Azarakhsh Lightning is a jet fighter aircraft manufactured by the Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industrial Company. It is widely regarded as a rebuilt and renamed American Northrop F-5 Freedom Fighter or Tiger II, although Iranian authorities claim it is Iran's first domestically manufactured combat jet fighter. The Azarakhsh was developed in Isfahan by the Iranian Army, the Iranian Defense Ministry, and aircraft manufacturing company HESA. In April 1997, Iranian Brigadier General Rast, a deputy head of the General Staff of the Armed Forces, declared that Iran had successfully designed, constructed and tested its first fighter aircraft. By late 1997 it was reported that Iran had begun producing the aircraft, and by mid-2004 aircraft were said to be undergoing operational tests, with production proceeding at a rate of around 10 aircraft per year. On May 17, 2000, Iran's acting commander of the Air Force said that Azarakhsh had reached mass production stage. On August 5, 2007, Azarakhsh conducted a successful test flight. On August 6, 2007, Ministry of Defense Mustafa Mohammad Nayar said, Azarakhsh is now at the stage of industrial production, and its mass production will start in the future.